Hey, what's up guys? I just lubed the chain with this homemade tool that I made. You can see here, this is oil that I prevented from going on the wheel and on the floor. It's fairly simple to do. You can do this on any bike. Okay, let's jump into it. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, bruskis, I'm gonna start with a piece of cardboard. Okay, now first I want to take some measurements here. I'm gonna use this as a guider, and then this is gonna be my other guider. And I want these to be 90 degrees. I want to mark the top of the hub here as well as the bottom right here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just close enough. It's right here, so I'm gonna go a little bit more because it doesn't have to be like right on there. So I'm gonna go right here, like this. And then the same from the bottom. That's right here, so I'm gonna go down a little bit. Just to have some extra room. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. So basically, this is the thickness.
Ask me about my winner!
Of the wheel here, of the hub. From the top here to the bottom. And also at the same time, I got the distance from the floor to the hub. I'm going to translate that to over here. And this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna do this, and then later on I can fine tune it on the bike, see how deep it goes. So I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. I got the two bottom edges touching. I'm gonna make these marks on this cardboard. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of math here now. We're gonna have to find the center point of these two lines. Okay, I got 8 inches and a quarter, so I believe the half of that is gonna be 4 inches and 1/8. I'm not that good with this inches crapola. It's a little bit confusing sometimes, but what the heck? You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, I think I got it correct now. So that's my center line, right here. The center line of the two lines. It's confusing, but if you get it, you're gonna get it. And it will be useful to have a compass here, but I don't. But because I'm at Guftos, I'm gonna have to improvise here. So I'm gonna hold it here so it never moves from the center. And this is not the correct way to do it, but this is the only thing that I had right now, because you can wear out your tool. You can see I made like a half circle. Now I can mark it with a marker. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not building a skyscraper or something, just a little piece of buchalanga here. Now I want to make 2 lines of the half circle continuing to the edges. And this one, I'm gonna follow this cardboard line. Okay, now I'm gonna look more professional. Yeah, professional with flip-flops. And then we're gonna do the other one. Okay, broskis, this is what we came up with. Now I'm gonna cut out all of this. That's gonna come off. So I'm gonna cut that, and I'm using a cardboard underneath not to scratch the floor. Ta-da! Okay, now because I have some excess material up here, it's kind of getting squished in there. I got the stand here. I'm gonna trim off the top a little bit. Actually, it'd be nice to get rid of this as well. So I would like this top to be on the height of the chain guard right here. Or here maybe. I don't know, I'm gonna mark it, and if I have to, I'll cut it down more later. It's better to cut it down a little bit at a time than just cut it too much and then start over again. Let me go here. And if I have to, I'll do more later. Actually, let me go a little bit more. Let me go like here. Let's see how well it fits. Now you can see I have more to go here, and it's already touching the fairing. So how much more do I need? Okay, let me be a carpendejo again. Approximately. That's the beauty of this. It doesn't have to be perfect. 6.5 inches. So I'll do 7 inches just to be just to have like a little buffer room. So 7 inches. Well, that seems off. Measure twice, cut once. See, there's a reason why I'm not a carpenter. Eh? Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh la la. There you go. That's it. Look at that. I just had to push it up a little bit. Because if I go like this straight, that's not gonna do the job. I'll just go like this. That's all. Doesn't have to be perfect. I could cut it shorter, so this could go closer to the wheel there, but that's fine. I'm gonna try it out the way it is. Later on I can fine tune it if I want to. But yeah, let's give it a try. And over here it tells you to lubricate the front, the face of the chain, as well as back here. Let me take off the excess. I fine-tuned it like I told you. Now I can spray some over here. Now to take it a step further, I'm gonna put a nice sticker on this. This way if I ever get another bike, I know that this one is for the Hayabusa. Hayabusa. This is also good so nobody throws it by accident. Just a little something, you know, make it interesting once again. Okay, and there it is, guys. Shout out to my buddy Simon, because he's the one who showed me this trick first. I never seen that before. When he showed me this, I was like, oh wow, this could be a nice video. And stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what's gonna be, but I do have something in mind.